Hey everyone, Saurav here, your friendly neighborhood designer. So today I'm going to show you how to create a mode toggle in Figma using variables, and not just any toggle. We are going to make it more beautiful on the mobile screen. So let's start. I will show you like what are the outcome we are going to perform. So this is the way, like we definitely going to use toggles and we definitely going to use variables in this. So let's dive in. So for the ease, like I already created this frame, and we're going to create toggle from the base. So let's get started with this. So first I will create a frame for a toggle. Okay, let's make it rounded and make it a bit smaller. Take a circle and let's make it height of 32, or you can call it 40, or no, I think it's good. Okay, 32 is good. Take the circle and make it 16 pixel. Okay, just make sure this is not too small or too big. For now I'm just taking 24, and yeah, so this frame I'm just making it centrally aligned. Okay, now for the main star of our show, the toggle itself is ready, and we are just making it to the second frame. Make it wide enough so like to fit your toggle circle, but not too wide, or it might be look like the toggle being snacking on too many keys. So just making it from here to here. Okay, we call it toggle 2, or simply, yeah, this is a good name. We'll make it toggle 1, and this is toggle 2. Right, swipe it left, and this is a swipe it right, just like your Tinder matches, except this one is guaranteed to respond. Right, so we'll just quickly fill it up, and we are going to use primary color for this. So, and this one I'm just giving it a primary color. Right, same operation we can perform to toggle 2. So just option command and C will take all the properties, and option command V pasted all the properties into this also. Oh, I think this doesn't take the property, so I just quickly make it on primary. Yes. Okay, perfect. So now these two toggles are ready, and we just need to perform variables on it to make it the final outcome. So what we have to do, we create a component set for this. We'll name it as a toggle, and this is the first toggle 1, and this is toggle 2. In toggle 1, first we need to go to this. Okay, first I just give it a name. This is property, so just name it as a, or we can make it as a state, toggle 1, toggle 2. We can also make it as a light and dark mode. It's totally depend on you what you want to give it. So for now I'm just making it simple, toggle 1, toggle 2, and just go to prototype, click on the interaction. This trigger we already have on click. For actions we need to work. In actions we need to go to set variables mode. So I just predict, like I hope you know how to create a variables, how to implement a variables, how to create a tokens. Then only this is going to work, right? So I just quickly show you like how I designed my tokens and primitives. So in primitives, I go with the light mode for everything. Like we have a global, we have a disabled. So in global we have a primary color, and inside of the primary color I have a light mode and a dark mode, right? Again, if I go to my tokens, same operation I perform here. Like for primary I just call it from my primitives, and for the dark I can call it from my dark mode, right? Similarly, if you want to create a accessibility design, like suppose in accessibility there are different colors, right? So you can just go to your primitives, add more colors in terms of add more accessibility colors over here, and similarly you just need to go to tokens and click on this button and name that accessibility color, and you can fill it over here, right? So these are different operations that you have to perform before creating this, before jumping into this part, right? So once I click on it, I just need to perform the operations. So on click, I want to change set variable mode, right? Once I click on it, I want to change it to my tokens, because I already create tokens, and inside of tokens I create the colors, right? If I have a different column for the colors, then I have to choose this from here. I have to choose the colors only, right? For buttons I have different category, then globals is different category, and tokens is completely like focused on light and dark mode. So first of all, I just need to click on tokens and what mode I want to give to this, right? So for now I'm just making it dark, right? Second operation, that is one of the most important operation, otherwise it will not perform. So I just show you like what mistake most of the people will make, I think. So they just give it just a single mode, like from tokens and dark mode. So I just quickly make it same. So I just click on it, and from here I just click on set variable mode. I want this in tokens, and I make it in as a light mode, right? So this, if I use this will not work, right? So I just show you there's one operation we are missing out. So 1 minute, I just need to restart it, I think. Okay, yeah. So if I click on it, it's working, but the toggle is not working, right? So if I again show you, if I click on this, right, if I click on this, it will definitely toggle to the dark mode, right? But again, if I want to go to the back to the light mode, it will not work because this toggle itself is not working, right? So if I click on it, it will become dark mode, but now there's no option to go back, right? So for that you are missing one more steps, that once you click on it, you again changes to, like, you have to perform this operation also, change to what, like change to second state, that is toggle 2. The toggle 2 is nothing but this one, right? I just click on this toggle 2, and now this will definitely work. Same operation you have to perform in here also, changes to in toggle 1. Now this will definitely work. Okay, I'm just making it up. Okay, for now I'm just picking it, so I'm just making it in the center. Yeah, I can use this one, right? Okay, I just close this, and yeah. And yes, and there you have a super cool, fully functional made toggle for your mobile screen, powered by variables in Figma. Who knew switching between light and dark mode could be so easy, right? So in this way, like, it becomes dark, and in this way it becomes light. So yeah, go ahead, try it out, impress your clients, or just show off your friends. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even comments below with your favorite mode. So thanks a lot.